1. Kindness and compassion. Treat others with kindness and compassion, regardless of their background or beliefs. 2. Honesty and integrity. Always speak the truth and uphold honesty in all aspects of life. 3. Justice and fairness. Uphold justice and fairness in dealings with others, regardless of their status. 4. Forgiveness. Forgive those who wrong you and seek forgiveness for your own mistakes. 5. Patience. Exercise patience in difficult situations and remain steadfast in faith. 6. Humility. Remain humble and avoid arrogance in interactions with others. 7. Gratitude. Be grateful for blessings and express gratitude to both people and to God. 8. Generosity. Be generous and charitable, helping those in need whenever possible. 9. Respect for all. Treat all individuals with respect and dignity, regardless of differences. 10. Persistence. Remain persistent in pursuing good deeds and striving for excellence in all aspects of life.